Okay guys, we see markets just trying to recover here. Let's see, we're in this long position right now. Let's see how it goes. We got this unfinished auction here. We are already up a more than $1,300. We just stopped trading ES in the morning, made a profit, and we're trading right now just Nasdaq. We're getting to power hour. We're trading 5 lots. Okay, so as you can see, this was very aggressive trading, 5 lots. You can see almost every trade was a winner. Now we just go with the scalper, which is just one contract, and I can trade it slowly. There it goes. You see the buyers here defending the low of the bar. Okay, so this is you can see them fighting when price just tried to retrace, and the blue defended point of control popped up. So it's very difficult, that sellers can. You see all the bullish delta here. So it's incredible. From over here was bullish delta. Sellers just couldn't fight the tape over here. We continue seeing more bullishness here. Remember, I always tell you guys, when you see the market, you see that right now. You can see the the volatility intro bar. What does volatility means? It means how far it can go down and up and down. Okay, so that way you can see if sellers are in control or buyers are in control. Okay, so if you see that, you see, for example, price comes down and it comes up again. That means that buyers are there with limit orders. So they're just gonna be. It's like they're doing the work of, you know, catching falling knives, if we can call it that way. It is catching falling knife, but they have the ability because they have the power, economical power to do that, and they do know some things that we don't know. Okay, so that is very important. So we can expect that this trade can work. If it doesn't work, it's okay. Don't matter, guys. We are already up for the day, but like the clouds are telling us that it's gonna rain, so we're holding to this position. Okay, everything is green, guys. There you go. There you go. Buyers stepping in. See lots of buyer. 150 contracts, 100 contracts. Lots of buyers in the tape. Okay, we haven't seen any big sellers. Sellers are not stepping in right now. Okay, so let's see if we can catch it. Like I always say, just when you see this type of behavior, just ride it. Don't be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid. Don't try to scalp all day long, because it's very difficult. It's better to sometimes hang on to a position. Okay, and you can catch bigger trades. Still very little sellers. You see lots of high frequency trading signals here, which are the vertical lines. Okay, now we see sellers with a point of control here. Lots of selling here, but I do believe they're gonna be absorbed by the buyers. Lots of buyers in this low area. Yes, as you can see, I told you, 5 buyers are fighting here. No, sellers are not gonna win this. They became liquidity, and they give more. It's like throwing gasoline to a fire and trying to stop it. Look at the bullishness of the new candle. Still buyers piling in. Not too much, but they're trying to defend this low. Let's see if they fight again. there's the buyers picking it up again. Okay, you need to understand the story of what's going on here. Okay, so when you see price bump that way, you see the buyers are here. You see now the point of control, it was here, now it's down here. So it tells you that buyers are like over here. They're defending the low of the bar. They are defending the low of the bar. So they're soldiers here. Okay, so they're just fighting the trenches. It should pop any second. There we see another point of control here, blue one. It means that lots of buyers here. Soon we're gonna see the pop. They already know there is a finish auction here. They gotta hit it hard, else it's gonna bounce down. Okay, we're gonna see any second that push to the upside. They need to push it, else it's just gonna come down. Okay guys, that's it. You already saw it, they already broke. You see the buyers popping in as expected. Okay, so the point of control, guys, this is the main potato. Okay, so how you can manage a trade. If you see the sellers failed, okay, this was a fort that this was a trench. Okay, it was blown up, okay, by the buyers. The buyers just didn't want it. You always take control of the moving average. Okay, this is where the limit orders are placed. Okay, so there it goes, the price goes up. Okay guys, thanks for watching.